Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video we will show you how to replace the door seal on a Rangemaster cooker. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If the door is not sealing correctly or the door seal has split, then it will need to be replaced. The door seal is held in by clips that locate into the inner door panel. Lift the door seal to release the clips and lift the door seal out. Fit the new door seal by clipping the door seal back into the inner door panel on all sides . And there we have it, one door seal replaced on a Rangemaster cooker. For all the spares you need, visit the Buy Spares website.